Hello, today we are going to learn 一石二鸟，一举两得。一石二鸟，一举两得。Both meaning, killing two birds with one stone. 一石二鸟 is little bit aggressive than 一举两得。For example, 川普总统打贸易战是想要公平的关税和提振美国经济，一石二鸟。President Trump's trade war is to win fair tariffs and boost the U.S. economy, killing two birds with one stone. 废纸回收既能重新造纸，又能节省资源，一举两得。Recycling waste papers can not only make papers, but also save resources, killing two birds with one stone. To learn more, please go to www.discoverchinese.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.